po yung airing ng blessing namin ni Elmo sa his
We're
birthday.
coming on for next Saturday, thank you for that. And yung naman yung naman is at it's for the week, so and we're sharing so thank you very much.
From Edeline X353. Hey Julie, my name is Edeline Donna from Hawaii. I'd appreciate it if you gave me a shout out. Thanks, and I really love your voice. Thank you, and shout out to you.
Question from Hillary Pink. Hi, what course are you taking up? I'm not yet haven't started college yet, and I'm planning on maybe taking up film or computer science. Depends also what school I enter, and maybe also culinary, but not really something na pinagpaplanuhan ko pa. Well, pinagpaano ko na naghanap na ako ng time na makapag-imply na ako at makapag-study. Gusto na pumasok and mag-aral. Chatmates, it's time to take our second break, but don't worry, dahil sa pagbabalik na IG Live Chat. It's first time natin makasama si Maxi para tulungan kayo sa pagtatanong sa amin. Mamaya po yan, after these short clips.